Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Treasure Masters application on your iOS device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your App Store and go to the search box and type in Treasure Masters and search. Look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application on your iOS device. Go ahead and log in with your Face ID or your Apple ID and password, and your download process should begin. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and you will be able to launch it open and enjoy the game. So that's how you can easily download Treasure Masters application on your iOS device within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.